center cap removal tools safely remove wheel caps without scratches, saving time, preventing damage, and ensuring smooth tire maintenance. My today's video is about top 5 best center cap removal tools that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gooacc Center Cap Removal Tool. This 19-piece door panel removal tool set is a versatile, must-have kit for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Designed for automotive, marine, furniture, and even aircraft trim work, it handles everything from door panels and moldings to clips, radios, emblems, and fasteners with ease. Made from impact-resistant nylon, the tools are tough yet gentle, protecting paint, panels, and delicate surfaces from scratches or damage during removal and installation. The ergonomic, lightweight design ensures a comfortable grip and reduces hand fatigue, making detailed interior and exterior trim jobs faster and more efficient. Practicality is further enhanced by the included trim clip removal pliers and specialized terminal and stereo tools, covering nearly every common task. After use, all tools fit neatly into the portable zipper storage pouch, keeping everything organized and easy to carry. This complete kit delivers durability, precision, and convenience in one compact package. Now our second product is Prime Avenue Center Cap Removal Tool. Prime Ave's 3-piece lug nut and center cap removal tool set is a thoughtfully designed solution for hassle-free wheel maintenance. By including stainless steel, plastic ABS, and steel pullers, the kit ensures you always have the right tool for stubborn lug nut covers or delicate center caps. Each tool is built for durability, resisting corrosion, and wear even with frequent use. Compatibility is a major strength, as the set works seamlessly with popular brands like Audi, BMW, Mercedes, Tesla, VW, and many other cars, trucks, and SUVs. The ergonomic design truly stands out. Rubber sleeves and ring-style grips provide a secure, comfortable hold that minimizes hand strain during longer jobs. Compact yet powerful, these tools easily reach tight spaces without damaging wheel finishes. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY car owner, this set saves time, protects your wheels, and earns its place as an essential addition to any toolbox. Our third product is Ihotder Center Cap Removal Tool. This 6-piece wheel lug cap removal tool set is a practical and well-engineered solution for quick, damage-free wheel maintenance. Featuring 3 different types of hubcap removal tools, 2 of each, the set ensures broad compatibility with most wheel bolt covers and hubcaps. Built from high-strength ABS plastic and stainless steel, the tools feel solid in hand and are designed to resist corrosion, delivering reliable performance over long-term use. Operation is straightforward and efficient. The red clip slides neatly under the bolt cover, the black remover grips the sides securely, and the ring hook pulls the cover out smoothly, no wrenches or screwdrivers required. This smart design saves time while protecting wheel finishes from scratches. Compact and lightweight, the tools fit easily in your hand or glove box, making them ideal for on-the-go use. Versatile and user-friendly, this set is a valuable addition for both DIY car owners and professionals. Now number 4, XBRN Center Cap Removal Tool. The 5-pack trim tools kit is an essential companion for anyone working on automotive or furniture projects. Including 4 car door panel removal tools and a fastener remover, this set covers a wide range of applications, from installing or removing car audio/radio systems, moldings, emblems, and window trims to broader interior repairs and furniture restoration. Crafted from durable plastic, each tool is lightweight yet strong, ensuring long-term use without bending or breaking. The ergonomic design makes handling effortless, while the slim, curved edges allow access to tight spaces and delicate crevices without damaging surfaces. Ideal for both professionals and beginners, the tools save time and effort during any modification or repair task. The kit also includes 8 tire valve caps, adding practical value. Compact and versatile, this trim tool set delivers precision, protection, and convenience, making it a must-have for maintaining, upgrading, or repairing vehicles and interiors efficiently. And our last choice is Ihotder Center Cap Removal Tool. This lug nut cover removal toolkit is a robust and versatile solution for any vehicle maintenance task. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel and ABS, the tools offer exceptional durability and resistance to wear, even in demanding environments, ensuring long-term reliability. The kit includes 3 functional designs: a black tweezer bayonet for effortlessly pulling out wheel nut caps, a ring pull hook that provides a secure grip without slipping, and a tweezer opening tool designed for smooth removal of wheel bolts. Its wide applicability makes it compatible with a variety of vehicles, from cars and trucks to vans, catering to both personal car owners and professional mechanics. Compact and lightweight, the tools are easy to carry and store in a toolbox or car trunk, making them readily accessible whenever needed. Available in kits of 4 or 9 pieces, this set delivers precision, convenience, and efficiency, making it an essential addition to any automotive toolkit. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.